Welcome to the video. This video is part 4 and the final video in a series in which we are building a WordPress plugin. The first video, we created the WordPress website and got it launched and running in a Docker container. The second video, we actually built the WordPress plugin. The last video, we actually got FTP set up and we're able to transfer our files to our Docker container server, and we're able to use that. So in this video, we're going back into our plugin, and there's a couple things I want to look at. One, I want to be able to create a button, which we did ask it to do in the second video. And then I want to troubleshoot why the button is not showing up here. And then I want to also look at this frequency, because default WordPress does not allow weekly and daily in its scheduling. So I want to make sure that this is working and that the plugin or the AI knows how to get that taken care of. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to ask it. I'm going to say the generate now button is not displaying on the settings page. Okay. So first, it's going to modify the plugin file, the main file. Okay. It's doing a lot here. Okay. Creating a simple test. Verify the plugin. Add simple test. Generate the functionality. After making these changes, deactivate the plugin, delete the plugin from WordPress, upload these new files, and activate the plugin. Okay, all right, well, we can do all that. So let's see, the plugin should now appear on the page. If it's not, please check. Okay, let's just go check it out. So I'm just going to do a hard refresh before we do all that. So nope, did not change it. Let's go to plugins. Let's deactivate the plugin. Let's delete the plugin. All right. And let's see. Whoops. Clicking wrong buttons here. Okay. Let me pull FileZilla over here. Okay, so here we are in FileZilla. Let's go to our plugin page, or folder. So here's our plugin folder, which shouldn't exist now. Let's do a hard refresh here. Okay, so it doesn't exist. So let's go ahead and take our AI folder here and just make sure that, yeah, that's the right one. So we're going to take that and just upload that. And yes, we want to overwrite. Okay. Now let's go back to WordPress, and we'll just do a hard refresh here. And we're going to activate our plugin. Okay, let's go to our settings page. Oh, we activated the plugin. It's not showing it. Oh, now it's moved up here. Okay, so now it's here. Okay. The generate button is there. Let's see if it created a post. Okay. Okay, it did create a post, but now the let's see. Now, yeah, everything else is gone now. So, okay. Let's just make sure I'm not missing it, putting somewhere else. What is save changes? Okay. Let's go back. Let's see. The button should now appear on the page. If it's still not showing, please check that. You can see menu, PHP errors. Let me know if you still don't see the button. The button is there now, but our previous form page, I'll just say form fields are gone. It just removed everything. Let's see. The joy of working with AI. Store all original settings fields. Okay. Excellent. Let's accept all. Okay. Improve success message. Maintains existing test posts. Settings now should appear. OpenAI password. Post generation. Frequency drop down. Try deactivating and reactivating the plugin. Let me just check this real quick. To generate a test plug immediately. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that then. Let's get back to our site. Let's go to plugins, deactivate, delete. Okay, let's go here. We'll do a refresh this, and then we'll just upload this. Here we go. Refresh, activate, and let's check it out now. Okay, good. It's back now. Let's test our generate button. Blog created successfully. We can click to view the post. Okay. And it's not, let's change this because we don't want it to be a test post. We want it to use the API key. So let's say change the generate. We'll say, what is it called? Generate test post. Generate test post to actually use the Open AI API to create a real post and remove test from the title and button. And I'll just say the word test just in case. No, I'll just say it like that. There we go. Okay, and so we know we're going to have to remove this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that done. Plugins, deactivate, delete. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, it's done a lot. I'll modify the blog generator PHP to use the OpenAI generate real posts. And I'll update the admin settings PHP file to remove the test references. Okay, these will be unique. Okay, that looks good. Let's just go ahead and accept all. Let's go back to our refresh, upload. Looks good. Refresh, activate. To our blog generator. Everything's looking good. Let's fail to generate a blog. Check the API setting. Okay. So Oops. I got this error. Okay. I might need to re-enter the API key there. Oh, it's going to go to okay, interesting. It's changing the model. I'm not sure why that's assuming that from the key, but okay. So we'll save that. Back to plugins, deactivate, delete. Good. Refresh, upload, refresh, activate. Looks good. Go here, test. All right, got same message. Let's see if there's a console log. I'm gonna open my developer tools. I'm gonna go to console. It's not putting anything there, so okay. I got the same error. Okay. All right, let's just go ahead and accept all. Go back here, back to the plugins, deactivate, delete, refresh, upload, refresh, activate, generate post, incorrect API key provided. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm going to pause the video and put my key in. I'll be back. All right, so we are back. I have entered my key in. We're going to click this again. Failed to generate blog. Please check your. Okay. Got the same message that time. That's strange. Good. Hard refresh. Let's go look at the blogs. Those were the two that we created. Let's delete all of these so that we know there's nothing there. I'm just going to do a hard refresh here and try again. Okay, now it says it was successful. So it was a caching issue going on here. Okay, so excellent. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, well, I'll just say because I have a feeling it was wrong key in there. The generate blog, what was it called? What is this? Generate blog post. Blog post button is now working. I have concerns about the frequency on our form. Does WordPress support the weekly and monthly options, or should we change this? Because we've got daily, weekly, and monthly. And as I recall, the WordPress only supports, like, I think minute, hour, and daily, or something like that. Let's see. Okay. Actually, it needs to be adjusted to match WordPress built-in cron schedules. Yes, okay, that's what I was thinking. So by default, WordPress only supports hourly and daily. Okay, and twice daily. That's what it was. Let's modify this to work with WordPress's scheduling system. Here's how we can update the frequency settings. Okay, so we're just going to go hourly, twice a daily, and daily. Add proper scheduling maintenance, cleans up scheduling. If you need weekly and monthly, we would need to register custom cron schedules using the cron scheduler, and we don't really want to get into that. That's yeah. We'll just change it to WordPress's default and leave that at that. So let's go back here, and we'll. Whoops, we gotta just make sure it doesn't show up here. No. So let's go to plugins. I'm going to deactivate, delete, and then we're going to go here. We are going to refresh, and then update or upload, refresh, activate, and we'll go to here. All right, so now we have every hour, twice daily, and once daily. So this would actually work now. We could get into more serious cron jobs and make this, but I don't think this is necessary. I mean, this was just to kind of give you an idea how we could go about building something like this. And you could continue asking it questions to go more into that depth, but this video is running long. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.